Then they saunter off to search for their next course. Without a lot of predators to worry about, life's pretty good for these spiky sea creatures. Tube feet wriggle. Red stalks bristle. Those who touch it instantly regret it. This is the fire urchin. Like all sea urchins, the fire urchin is an echinoderm, a family of slow and spiny invertebrates. Other members include sea cucumbers and starfish. In fact, a sea urchin's body design is a lot like a balled-up starfish. Its plate-covered top has hundreds of spines dotted with poison-filled sacs that burst on contact.